Hello, everyone. Hope you are fine and square. In this YouTube videos, in the title of political, we have recorded many videos like political and corona, political and patent signs of governments, political and Andhra Pradesh special status, political sun planet, nuclear power, political admin through time technology, to name a few. Friends, today the topic is governments and the media, or the films also, the movies that spread the culture in a country. For a nice administration, government should be in good terms with judiciary, media, electronic and print media, and also the movie field also. Movie field reflects the pulse of the people. Though there is mass and class in people, two categories, if you see the action of the masses, generally it is connected with planet Saturn, and the media is controlled by the planet Sun. Not only the media, the electronic and print media is connected by the planet Mercury also. Mercury is for writing. But the other media is the media of movies. Movies, the camera is controlled by Sun, and script is controlled by Mercury. If there is a good script, the film will receive good success, and the costumes and the makeup, the dances, the songs and singing section department are all controlled by action, even are controlled by Venus, and the masses that throng through to the theaters is controlled by Saturn. So the movie sign is in Mesha Rasi, and the camera is in Mesha Rasi and is shown as a very high influence in the world. It is an atmic influence. Mesha is a Lagna for entire world. The second house is the screen, which is Vrishabha Rasi. There we are seeing Kritika Nakshatra. The photography is coming out on the screen. There is a Bhutatva Rasi, Vrishabha. The screen is in white color, and there are artists in the shade of moon. So the media, the movie media, must be well managed if the country should get honor. Not only movie media, but the TV media also. The small, big screen you call it is, the small screen, small silver screen, must also be well directed. There are many wonderful biopics. There are biographies of many saints, lives of people. All this can be depicted, but Sun is for, as you know, romance also and love story also. So all the film field people, they show a love story and a fight and a song and a story with punch dialogues to complete a film. They want business. they want money. For the sake of money, they are throwing away the very high influential movie field, which should go out with a nice message to the winds. True, there are good films. About 30% of the films are good. We've seen Mahatma Gandhi, directed by Ben Kingsley. Sir Richard Attenborough was the director. Ben Kingsley was the actor. So media will make the country and the pulse of the people. If you see the mass section, they want dances and obscenity. And horrible crime and very poor picturization of women. Women should be shown as just articles of pleasure. Outside also there is the same story. We are finding many rapes and even many crime scenes are reported outside the movie theaters also. People are learning also from movies. This is a evergreen link between society and movies. So government should lay out strict orders to put down the crime and obscenity and only permit different subjects without love, without polluting the senses. People see the movies with eye. Eye is a gnana indriya. So this much we can say government should contribute to the society. So far they are failing miserably for finances and other considerations which are not so worthy of mention. We can earn finance in a virtuous manner, isn't it? So other part of the media is money media. This is a very powerful mass media also. Sun, Venus, they all show money. Mars, Sun is politics, Mars is real estate, Moon is hotel industry, Sun is hospitals, Venus is mobile industry. Sorry, mobile means in the sense automobiles. Garment business, etc. We also have electronic and print media covered under the planet Sun. So directly money earning has become a channel for the political section which is ruled by Leo, because Leo is having a sign of romance with money, romance with romance, romance with politics. Whatever you do, your club life, you play a tennis star, you are a singer, everything is a passion, a house of passion, Leo. There the sun star is also there. So media, government, governance, legislation, houses of legislation, parliaments and assemblies are all coming under a passion. So politics also is going at the Atmic level, just as we taught. Media is also going, print media and the film media. So it is the utmost duty of the government to keep the governance without any trace of pollution of money. Why should the elections should cost so much? Why should all people go and vote? Only educated people should be given vote. Why is it Sun is and other planets are showing channels of earning money? Because In the patent sign for money, which is Vrishabha Rasi, Taurus, there is a representation of sun, moon, exaltation of moon, Mars, and the sign Venus itself. So, unless the sharing of money in the family money should come, not individual money. The locality money should come, not the individual house money. And the panchayat money should come, not the individual money. If we can make such a change, then the real righteous use of money will come up and there will be real administration. So, today the topic is a very good topic. Please think about this topic. Government and the media. We said the electronic media, the print media, the electronic media, the TV channels, they run news channels. But for a person who wants to put his news, if he pays money, if he corners the employee of the news agency and pays him handsome money, then his news will come without any hindrance. So this sort of money-making tactics are letting down the country. Not only that, the same planets, Sun, Venus, Moon, they are patenting for money. They are catching the people by the scuff of the neck to earn money, fast work. People take money and vote. In many poverty-ridden countries, politicians, they throw money and get the votes. This should change. As you know, the parties are coming, the political parties are also under the sway of planet Sun. So they have their own considerations. Bringing up their party, for the welfare of their party, they put the growth of the countries down sometimes, growth of the states, the inter-party clashes. So this politics, Sun, unfortunately, patenting the Leo sign, has got Kumbha Rasi or the Aquarius as the 7th house, lauded by Saturn, Shani, which shows deception. Sometimes they give promises but they won't fulfill. So this is all how the planets are beating us. So let us be aware of these dangers and make a clean and pure admin. The real admin for the government, for the media, should be like father. True, some people, some channels, they do good work. But most of them, majority of them, are falling for the sake of money. The individual money should go, the family money should come, the residential area money should come, then there will be end of all these things. We'll talk more deeply in another video about this. May you be all happy with peace. Maybe you see the inner vision, not the outer vision, the inner vision of seeing yourself. May you get the distance to go away from mind and body. With the same body, may you get the peace with this vision of the spirit. That is what the talk today was on. In the eyes of the Atma, there is no difference. That is what I said. Family money, the print media, the movie media should always be going close to the nature and spirit. Nature is also not spirit, but spirit flows through nature. But you have to catch the spirit, the qualities of soul, unattached, ever self reliant, and always happy, Satchitananda. May God give us all this vision and the approach to clean our administration. Thank you.